See that gentle glow on the horizon? In a few hours, it will set telegraph offices on fire, light up the sky from Canada to Cuba, and leave a warning we've been ignoring for over 160 years. This is September 1st, 1859. And tonight, the sun attacks the earth. You're a telegraph operator in Boston. It's just past midnight, and your equipment is acting possessed. Sparks leap from the key to your fingers. Paper tape catches fire on the desk. You disconnect the batteries completely, and the messages keep sending. The wires are running on nothing but the sky. Outside, the night looks like the world is burning. Auroras, normally locked away near the poles, are blazing over Rome, Havana, and Hawaii. In the Rocky Mountains, gold miners wake up and start cooking breakfast at 1 in the morning, convinced the sun has risen. Birds are singing. And in Colombia, people fall to their knees, certain it's the end of the world. 17 hours earlier, a British astronomer named Richard Carrington was sketching sunspots when he saw something no human had ever recorded, 2 blinding points of white light erupting on the sun's surface. It lasted 5 minutes. He had just witnessed a solar flare, and the sun had just fired a billion-ton cloud of magnetized plasma directly at Earth. A coronal mass ejection usually takes 3 or 4 days to reach us. This one arrived in 17.5 hours. It was moving so fast because an earlier eruption had already swept the road clear. When it hit, Earth's magnetic field rang like a struck bell. Compasses spun uselessly. And every long wire on the planet became an antenna for the storm, which, in 1859, meant the telegraph. The Victorian Internet went down in flames. Here's what should keep you up at night. In 1859, the most advanced technology on Earth was a wire that went click. Today, that same storm wouldn't hit telegraph lines. It would hit everything. Power grids, high-voltage transformers, the ones that take over a year to replace, would burn out by the hundreds. Satellites, GPS, weather, communications, degraded or dead. Aviation grounded. Banking frozen. One study by Lloyd's of London put the cost at up to $2.6 trillion for North America alone, with some regions dark for months, even years. And this isn't a 1 in a billion event. Ice cores show massive solar storms hit Earth around the years 774 and 993, some far stronger than Carrington. In March 1989, a much smaller storm blacked out all of Quebec in 92 seconds. 6 million people, gone dark, from one solar sneeze. Now here's the part that almost nobody knows. In July 2012, a Carrington-class superstorm actually happened. A plasma cloud just as powerful tore through Earth's orbit, and missed us by 9 days. 9 days. If it had erupted a week and a half earlier, you might be watching this video by candlelight. NASA scientists later calculated the odds of a Carrington-level storm hitting Earth in the next decade at roughly 1 in 8. We are playing Russian roulette with the sun. The sun gave us a warning in 1859, when the only thing we had to lose was the telegraph. Next time, it won't be so polite. Satellites a million miles out watch the sun around the clock, giving us maybe 30 minutes of warning. The question isn't if another Carrington event comes. It's whether we'll be ready when the sky catches fire again. If you learned something today, subscribe, because the next story is even stranger.